Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be researching the internet a little bit about how to promote JVZoo products, okay? So let's talk a little bit about that today. Now, I'm going to talk about two real big, concepts here that will really help you to start to pick JVZoo products and then start to actually get in profit, generate more sales, because that's what you're here to learn, right? Now, I'm going to show you two things, right? What others teach, what other people talk about when it comes to selling JVZoo products and affiliate marketing products in general, because JVZoo, they're essentially affiliate information products, right? I'm going to show you what other people teach, and then I'm going to teach you how to really do it, okay? So what a lot of other people teach is not really the right way on how to do it, and you'll hear this over and over and over again. Now, what I'm not going to do in this video is I'm not going to show you the step-by-step on JVZoo, okay? Because there are a lot of other YouTube videos that you can just, YouTube, and they will actually show you how to log in and stuff like that and get your links and all that kind of stuff. I'm not going to waste time doing that. I'm going to show you the strategy on how to do it, because the strategy is everything, all right? The tactics, the step-by-step on how to find your links, that's the easy stuff, okay? What people don't talk about is the actual strategy. So let's talk about that in this video today, right? So this is what other people teach when it comes to selling JVZoo products. They say, okay, so the first thing that you have to do when you sell affiliate products or JVZoo is you must find a high converting offer, okay? This is pure BS, all right? Because the reality is that just because you have a high converting offer and you send traffic to that offer doesn't mean that you're going to make sales, all right? You have to understand that everybody is doing that. If it was that simple, then everybody would be making money, don't you think, right? All you have to do is you find a high converting offer, you send Facebook traffic, you send solo ads, you send banner advertising, you send influencer traffic directly to that link. And technically, if you think about it, because it's a high converting offer, you should make sales, right? Wrong. That's not how real marketing online works, okay? If it was that simple, everybody would be a millionaire, but everybody's not a millionaire, right? So this strategy is pure BS. It doesn't work, okay? So this is what they say. Find a high converting offer, find traffic, and most of the time they will teach you to buy solo traffic, which is basically email traffic from other marketers, right? You're just recycling old crappy traffic over and over and over again. They say send that crappy traffic to your capture page where you capture their email address, and then once you capture their email address, you send them directly to your JVZoo affiliate link, all right, which is your high converting offer, okay? And if they don't buy, then what you do is you send them an email and you send them over and over and over again back to that JVZoo link, right? Think about that for a second. Logically, how would that even work? Because if somebody sees your offer, right, your high converting offer, and they don't like the offer, just because you send them back to that same thing over 100 times, why would they buy that thing? They wouldn't. They didn't like it the first 10 times. What makes you think they're going to like it the next 20 times, right? Logically, if you think about it, that makes sense. And yet, this is the strategy that's being propagated on the internet since I started in 2009. Think about that. At the time of recording this video, that's 11 years ago, and people are still talking about this strategy that doesn't work. Everybody looks the same. Everybody is selling the high converting offers. Everybody's using the same traffic source. Everybody's using similar capture pages. Everyone is sending people directly back to the JVZoo link. It's no surprise that it doesn't work, and the conversion rate is 1%. Think about that. 1% conversion rate. That means if you send 100 people, 200 people to your capture page, it converts at 50%. That means 100 people are really seeing this JVZoo link offer, right? And out of those 100 people that you spent your very hard-earned money on, you get one sale. And that one sale, if it's a JVZoo product, is probably very, very low. It's probably like 20 bucks. How can you become a six-figure earner if you're making a $20 commission on a 1% conversion rate? It's almost impossible. Now, this is the reason why so many people that try affiliate marketing and JVZoo are broke, okay? This is called direct marketing. That means you are marketing your link directly. All right, there's nothing in between. You're not adding any value. You're sending it directly to that link, right? So traffic direct to JVZoo link. This is called direct marketing. All right, now if you're doing this and you've heard this before, if it sounds familiar, this is the reason why you haven't made any sales, or this is the reason why you can't seem to get in profit, or this is the reason why you can't make 100 sales a month, is because it's impossible to become profitable with this kind of strategy. Okay, now let me show you what you should be doing. instead of listening to all the gurus and all these people on YouTube telling you to sell JVZoo products like this, okay? So let's get rid of this strategy. This is the worst strategy in the world. I did it for 8 years. That's why I'm so passionate about this topic, because this is not the way to be successful, right? It took me so long to figure out what really works, and I'm going to reveal it to you in this video, right? So you're literally getting 8 years worth, over $100,000 US dollars worth of testing, tweaking, failing, slamming, my face against the wall over and over again, and I'm just going to show you exactly how to do it, right? So take this to heart. It seems very simple, but I promise you this strategy will change your life if you do it properly, okay? This is how you really promote JVZoo products or any affiliate product on the internet, okay? This is how it works, right? So first of all, you need to find a good product. It's not about finding a high converting product. It's about finding a good product. Okay, the difference between a good product and a high converting product is a good product is actually good. That means that if I buy the program, let's just say it's a program on weight loss, it's actually a good weight loss program. It's not shit. Does that make sense? Excuse my French, right? But it's not a bad product. That means it's good. If I was to buy this weight loss product from you and I go through it, I will actually learn how to lose weight. Okay, it's not smoke and mirrors. It's not some dinky little program with a great sales funnel. It's actually a good program, right? That's what you want. You don't want to sell a program that is high converting, but it's low quality on the back end, because that's not a good product, and your customer is going to get really pissed off with you, which is why they will never buy from you again, and your refund rates are going to be very high. So that's the first stage, right? You must sell good stuff. If you're not selling good stuff, don't sell it. All right, you have, if you're selling people junk, then why would people ever want to buy something from you again? Does that make sense, right? Okay, the next thing is you need to build a simple sales process around your product. All right, so you cannot sell your product directly. That means sending people from traffic, Facebook traffic, solo ad traffic, banner ad traffic, directly to your capture page to capture the email, and then sending them directly to your JVZoo link is the wrong thing to do. What you need to do is you need to add a step in between, and that is your simple sales process that is wrapped around the product that you're promoting. That means to make it very simple, you have to build a series of pages that gives value to your audience before they ever see your JVZoo affiliate link, okay? If people see your JVZoo affiliate link first, you will never make sales that way, or you will, but at a 0.5 to 1% conversion rate, right? If you want like a 5% conversion rate, 7% conversion rate, I mean, we're talking about like 5 times the average affiliate marketer out there. I mean, these are possible. These conversion rates are possible. You just have to be willing to engineer, and you have to understand how to engineer these kinds of conversions, which took me, over $100,000 and 8 years to master, right? Then after you do that, you need to add value to your audience based on what your product is teaching. So if you're selling weight loss, you need to add value to your audience and teach them about weight loss before they even buy the product. Okay, so you have to teach them the stuff before they buy the product. Do you have to teach them everything? No. You teach them a small percentage of what's in the program, right? So let's just say the program is 100%. You only need to teach them like 2%, okay? 3%, 4%, 5%, very, very little. Even 1% is better than no percent. Does that make sense, right? And the reason why you have to do that is because we live in a society now where information is so easily available. Why do they need your product? They can go to YouTube and find out about weight loss. They can go to YouTube and find out about how to make money. They can go to YouTube and find out about how to plant a garden in their backyard. They can go to YouTube and figure out how to sing better or play the piano, right? There's so much free information out there. So if you're not providing value, if you're not providing free information, people aren't going to buy your stuff, okay? Now, the other thing is, and this is important, right? Now, once you've built that relationship with your audience, okay, and you're giving value before you even sell the program, what you need to do is you can then recommend what you're selling. You can recommend your JVZoo product, right? But as a, hey, by the way, if you're interested in this topic about learning how to get six-pack abs, or learning about how to sing, or learning how to become, a piano and, play the piano by ear, right? For example, if you want to get the full training program that will teach you how to do this literally step by step, then by the way, you can check out this link below and you can click on it. And when they click on it, that is the link to your JVZoo product. Okay? Now, when you do it that way, you're not hard selling. You're selling indirectly. You're doing a soft sell. A soft sell is a lot easier for you to get conversions than doing the hard sell, right? What everybody teaches here is the hard sell. This is a hard sell. Okay, think about it, right? You lead someone from a traffic, people don't know who the heck you are, right? And then they come to a capture page, and then you want to sell them straight away. How can you expect to make money that way, right? I'm shocked that people are still teaching this strategy because it doesn't make sense. It's like walking into a department store and people slamming you over the head with their stuff. It's like they're trying to sell you, a baguette, right? They run up to you and they slap you across the face. Sorry, I'm like spitting on my mic. They run up to you and they slap you across the face with a baguette and say, hey, buy my baguette because it's the freshest, crispiest baguette in the world. Do you think you're going to buy that baguette? You're definitely not, right? So that's hard selling. You don't want to hard sell. Okay, you want to soft sell. You want to be super cool, right? You want to be the person that people come to and they're like, wow, this person is super awesome. They're teaching me about the thing that I want to learn about, whether that's playing the piano by ear, learning to dance, losing weight, getting six-pack abs, making money on the internet, right? You're teaching them how to do that for free, okay? Now, do you have to teach them everything? No, you just teach them very strategic steps, very basic. One idea here, one idea there, one idea here, one idea there. And then if they want to get the full training, it's, hey, by the way, if you want to get the full training, you can click on the link below. Now, this, my friends, is called indirect marketing. Okay, so you want to write that down. Indirect marketing. If you market directly, you're going to stay broke. If you market indirectly, right, you go around, right, you build a simple sales process around your product, you will make a lot of money and you will do very, very well. Okay, so this is the real way to promote JVZoo products. Okay, now very few people will teach you this kind of stuff. Okay, this information that you just learned over the last 11 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up. Right, 11 minutes took me 8 years and over $100,000 to figure out, and you just got it right here in the last 11 minutes, right? Take this to heart. This is super powerful stuff, okay? It looks very simple, it sounds very simple, but this will literally change your life. If you want to learn how to do all the technical stuff, go find another YouTube video and you can just do the technical research and you can find out exactly how to get your affiliate links and all that stuff. But this is the stuff that will really make you the money. This is the real stuff that will really help you to create freedom, change your life, not have to worry about your bills, do anything you want, work from home, just like I have, right? And it took me a long time to figure this out. So April 2019, finally tripled my old corporate income after being online for 10 years at that stage. Okay, now if you want to learn how to do this right, I would love to teach you how to do this. Okay, so first of all, before we do that, let me know what you thought in the comments below. Did you get some value from this video? Did you learn something? Okay, have you seen this before? Have you tried this? Have you heard the concept of indirect marketing, right? Would really love to hear from you. And if you got some value, would really appreciate some thumbs ups, okay? And if you're like, Aaron, this stuff is awesome, how do I do this? Like really, step by step, how do I do that? I want to show you how to do this step by step. Okay, we can't do this in 11 minutes, right? It's going to take a little bit longer. So all you need to do is click the link right below in the description box. It's going to lead you to my website. On my website, enter your best email address, and I will send you a training, a proper detailed training on how this actually works. What is the right industry to look at? How do you leverage affiliate marketing correctly, right? Is affiliate marketing the right place for you to start in the first place? Is it the most profitable? Is it not, right? What should you look at? How do you set up your business? What should you stay away from? Okay, so things like what others teach, what should you stay away from? What you might think works doesn't really work in this business, okay? And I'll show you how to do that. And once you have that information, it's just gonna make you a better marketer. It's gonna allow you to generate more sales. It's gonna make you happier, not have to worry about your bills and all that great stuff. And if you want to learn how to do that, all you have to do is click the link below, and I hope to see you on the next page. Take care and all the best.